Start.
Every time whenever you are starting or turning off, this lever should be in parking mode.
Parking mode.
Then only you can turn.
Before side. Yeah, I should verify this. And this one?
This one you have to lift it. If you set it in parking mode, you have to lift it.
For lifting it, it will get into parking mode. And if I want to make it off,
You have to press it down.
press it down. And then I have to wait a little bit.
Yeah.
This response is a little less. Okay, increase AC.
So close these doors.
ଏମିତି ରଖିଲା ଯେ ଏଥିରେ କାଟିବାଟା ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ।
ତାକୁ ଦେସି କାଟି ଦବ ତାପରେ
ନାଇଁ
ତୁ ଆ କାଟେ
ମୁଆ କାଟି ହବ ପଛ କରି ପଛୁଡ଼ି କରିଦି। So this
Close the door.
ହଁ କ
Answer?
Go ahead.
And the light, everything is this side.
This side.
Right side you have to lift it up.
Left side.
Left side pull it down.
Pull it down. Okay. Press it down.
And this is the auto. Now it is in auto mode. If you want to turn on, you can turn on like this.
Light. So now is it on?
Headlamp.
Headlamp
Now
is
it
on.
in auto mode.
auto means what for what kind auto
Automatically it will turn on. Automatically it will turn off.
If it finds darkness, then it will automatically turn it on. Okay.
The same is on the wipers.
And now it is on, right?
Now it just the DRL is on.
DRL, the rear lamp.
The front lamp.
Oh, that is
Parking lamp.
parking lamp is on.
You have to turn it on. You have to push it.
And now this is on. Huh?
Now
Can
it
I
is
see
on.
anything? Can I figure it out? Here. Okay.
Here it is showing.
That is. What about this one? This time also it's showing.
This for this one, sir. DRL.
DRL.
If it is off, it won't show anything.
Okay. Now it is auto mode.
Auto mode.
And what about this here?
That's for the fog lamp. Fog lamp also will automatically turn off. Automatically turn off. Turn the steering.
Hey, here. Marju on
It's the wiper.
This one. The front wiper or back one?
Front.
Front one. So I have to lift it up.
You just have to lift it up or down.
This it. Okay. And down. Is it happening in back?
No. Back, if you have to rotate it, that knob, sir.
This one. Is it in back now?
Yeah.
Happening? Okay. Tu don't like it. Don't touch anything.
And this is for the audio controls. You can change the song and mute the sound, and you can receive the call. This is to change the source of the audio from where it is coming.
Okay.
And that is to this one, to change this mode.
How can I change that one?
And sir, close the door, sir. If you go here, you can change the different options. You can see battery, tire pressure monitoring, and all you can see.
So this is what it's doing. Car pressure.
Tire pressure.
Tire pressure. Okay. And brightness set to increase. Okay.
And this is for iCall function that MG will call back on the display.
You showed me. And what about this?
Voice commands.
Voice command. Okay. Once I press, it will work.
You can say hello Astor, or you can do that.
Oh, okay.
oh direct
And this one is just to navigating the options. These two. Okay. And this is horn.
That is how.
Okay. And what about why it is high here?
Design one.
Design one. That's it. Okay.
And this is the navigation. Built maps. Now the network is not showing here.
Why network is not there now?
It's not finding network.
It automatically
It was there in the inside the car, and before that it was in the parking.
But how long it will take to recognize?
It will after something it will come there.
It's not coming.
It doesn't. They have not turned on the car.
So if it is not working, means I can use my phone to connect this.
Right. Wi-Fi.
Let me connect the phone.
Wi-Fi connection will not the settings. Can you check?
Yeah.
It's a Bluetooth, no?
Network off. Make it on. I think it will take now.
Choosing network.
Which one it will by inbuilt?
No.
Turn off the hotspot.
I have to pair the new device. No, this is the new one.
This is
ना हॉटस्टार ये करेंगे
No, it's own the one. It is not picking.
Answer? Network it was inside the showroom.
Okay, but it's been 10-15 minutes already, right?
It's not like normal phone.
Okay,
Where
but
it
how
refreshes,
to? No, my point is, if it is how to choose that one, can we select
No,
something?
you can't select it.
You cannot select
There
it.
is this one.
So
Okay, what is the name you can see in this device name or something? It will show here.
This device.
In mobile, okay, that one also. MGY expert 0 foot of effect.
Vehicles.
ए गाडी त्याला
So it won't,
गाडी रे बसची
All the vehicles are having the same kind of code.
हा म पटस
This is the name of the unit. Bluetooth.
ఏమైనా పొటెన్షియల్
AC. If it is off also, we can turn on the AC by using this button. Not this on off button. It just only glows. Indicates that AC is on or off.
ఆన్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్
But we can turn on or off.
ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజ్
From here only we can turn on.
Okay, so that's not a switch then.
This is not like any switch.
This
is just,
it's just on it on.
It just shows it is on or off AC.
Oh, like that only. It's just a light, not a switch.
Here we can increase or decrease the temperature. And this is for the rear defogger. This is for the front defogger. From here we can change the volume. This is the home button. Anywhere you go, you just press this. It will
Now I connect to the pair mode. Pair. Okay. Which one is it? Setting. The name.
What is it?
122 4E. 4E something.
Your
Mine. I'm in pairing mode, no? I have to figure out that
your
name, no?
device name.
This one only, right? 122 4ES. Pair. Is it paired? Connected. Play music. Okay.
Extreme up or where it is?
Connected, sir. Then you have to go to media. From here we have to select Bluetooth music. Then only you can see, you can play, because it is by default it is in USB mode. You have to come to Bluetooth music mode to select the Bluetooth songs.
Okay. So Bluetooth songs, I don't have any songs.
And do you have manual for this one?
It's there in the cars.
The manual means cardiology, ghantiology, user manual.
But the hard copy you
How
told?
can you take the printout of this user manual? Any site, online site?
You don't have a hard copy
NGR?
where we can get
No,
it?
no,
Purchase?
No, sir.
It's very difficult. No? How will some user manual supposed to be there? No.
Yeah.
So you can sit a whole day to read this.
Earlier it used to come, but now everything is digital.
What is
They are
that
not
one?
giving to
What is
anyone?
that? What is that?
Hey, brother.
Hey, Astor.
Hey, Astor. It's a Alexa type, bro.
Yeah.
Hello, Astor. Let's see.
Hi. Pardon?
Now network is not there, na? It's not loading.
Is it like my balance is finished, completed,
No, no,
something?
no.
How we can recharge that one?
You
Or
can
not required?
recharge it through MyMG app.
My MG app only.
And
So-
in MyMG app, you can go to my subscriptions. MyMG app.
And
I can check the balance also, no? There?
My subscriptions.
My subscriptions. Which one?
Geo data, Geo 7, everything you can recharge from here.
What is the current data also I can see, right? Our utilization and all.
The utilization and all, it's not. Monthly 1 GB data is there.
Only 1 GB. That's enough.
This is just only for navigation. and all, sir.
Yeah, navigation
What's
time only
connected?
it will consume more
thousand.
data, right?
Monthly 1 GB.
Why there is no cover? Why this cover has gone? You don't have seat cover and it was there, right? Seat?
at airbag house.
They'll remove it.
No, still. Okay. Geo data, Geo 7. So how can I recharge it? Tell me.
From here only you can recharge.
It's not showing anything. No recharge history. How can I?
No,
Geo
you
data
have not
recharge?
done the recharge, na? From here, if you can recharge.
Like this, add on data pack. What is your current data pack? Something.
It is 4 GB खाली अच्छे ऊपर है.
I think it left of 4 GB total.
First expire हुई है जो 1st February.
And it will get expired 1st February. And then every month it will get a recharge by 1 GB.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I want to add, then this can add 24 GB benefit. So sound is coming.
मैं कौन करता हूँ?
Battery here.
They're fixing the number plate.
For stepney also will put, right?
What?
Air.
No, they are fixing the number plate.
Under chassis coating and all done, right?
Done.
Sure, na? I haven't checked that. I cannot check also, right? Okay. कौन अच्छी पचास अच्छी?
Okay, that about iSmart. iSmart, can you explain?
Vehicle Astor is due on 4th Feb. Okay. Before 4th Feb, I have to go for fast service. I got this message in MG. Fine. iSmart कौन कुछ लो?
iSmart.
गाड़ी मुव चल उल्लू उल्लू आको धरिक उल्लू चले उल्लू
कौन
ए पछु जा